Okay, so we're working on the 70 F100 today. We're going to put the door panels on. Try to make this look a little better for this wedding. Wish us luck. The very first thing we got to do is remove all this stinking cotton from the holes. My upholstery guy uses foam. It's a lot easier. You don't have holes full of cotton when he does it. I'm not sure where these door panels came from. I'm guessing a place called Dash's Direct, because that's where the armrests came from. But all this stinking cotton, you can't get nothing to work with it in there. Let's get a razor knife. Alright. Boy, these little clips. I know that's got to go there. We got some issues on the bottom ones there. They're half busted out. So we're going to give them a little special treatment. With some duct tape-a-rooning here. I'm going to go duct tape and fix these bottom ones. I'll show you as soon as I get done what I did. Okay, so I had a few that wouldn't stay in place. The cardboard was cracked, so I duct taped them down. Duct taped the cardboard down. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done, so you can get the door panel on and without distorting that door panel any more than it already is. And right there's a clip from the last time it had door panels in. Alright, now for this little doofus thing. One more. There's her old door panel. I'm going to try and just tuck all this mess behind it. Hopefully. Get that to go up there. There we go. Seems like lately all I've been doing is messing with doors. There we go. She has a door. see what we can do here. Door panels are full of this cotton stuff. You can't get nothing to screw. Now let's try to get this one started. There we go. Now 3 of them are in. Window cranking this panel's done. I think I want this to be up there. Window crank. Except the windows don't roll down for crap in this truck. They're all jacked up. See? It moves like... who knows? This thing just snaps on somehow. Well, it gets glued, but we're going to try this way. Let's see how it does. If it's long enough, we'll glue it and put some screws in that thing. She left all this stuff in the back of the truck, behind the seat. It all got ruined. The step rail, carpet seal, door seal, sill, not seal, was folded up behind the seat. I straightened it out some. And we'll get the seam to go to the seal. Hey, Victrola.
Hey, what's up?
Not much.
Are you gonna put the stuff on the car?
What stuff?
The flowers and stuff for when they get married.
Oh, no, I'm just doing this stuff for them. That's it. Everything else, they're on their own.
What are you doing to it?
I put the door panels on. Now I'm putting the door seal on this side. There's already one on that side. I don't know why they didn't put the one on this side. See if we can get this thing to stick for her. Pretty nasty stuff. There we go. Lid on. There we go. Alright. Yep. Masking tape it is. Problem is, the door seals are used, so they're already formed to the truck 30 years ago, and then they peeled them off, wadded them up, put them in the back behind the seat, in the back of the seat. With some Adams polished detail spray she wanted on it. I use chemical, guys, on all my vehicles. On the customers, I'll use whatever you want. Somewhere along the line, this gal read about this process. We're using some patina sauce, patina preserver first, and then we're giving it a little rub with this stuff. This patina sauce for the hood. Well, now that she's all clean, started wiping her down with this greasy stuff here. She ain't too bad looking. That don't look too bad for an old pickup truck. Oily, greasy, slimy stuff though. It does kind of have a shiny look to it now. That's kind of weird. This stuff just soaks right in like that. I guess that'll do it for the detail work. We're gonna adjust that master cylinder rod a little bit forward and get this thing out of here.